toasty. Up at them ducks, huh? I know you heard me. What? Did Hiller get some vertigo? Did Hiller get vertigo or what, man? Oh, nice, Steve. A little hard. Oh, there you go. Good pass.
On your chest. Partner.
Oh, nice job pass. Go with him, Steve.
Go, 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 go. Net.
Hey, that better be next game with Mitch.
You mean a little harder next time.
That was a good pass. I thought it was gonna go. I thought it went too hard.
I'm like, man, even it's messing with me when I'm out of the ring.
It slowed down after it hit the wall. I thought it was gonna bounce faster.
Perfect.
Yeah. Wait, how come that never happened when I was a forward with you?
Good, Mark.
Yeah, sorry, I
Put
can't.
it on.
Yeah, I couldn't record all that. Steve's stick was in the way. Oh man, Bryce shooting up pretty close.
Good, Dave.
Is that?
Over here, Brian. Spread out, spread out.
Oh, nice pass.
Put it on early. Yeah! Nice, Adrian.
Man, left me hanging. I'm just a camera guy.
Put it on early. Get back, D.
Ooh, what a shot.
Ouch.
You're not going to hear the end of it when Steve gave you that pass.
There's a couple of happenstance times.
You can tell that you were tentative on where to place it too. Yeah.
Corner.
Same board, same board, same board.
There you go. Nice job. There you go, beat him to it.
Center.
Come on, Adrian. Oh.
That's a good shot, Steven.
Yeah. You got time. Put it down low, put it down low. Good pass.
Good pass.
Oh.
What's that dude's name, Dave? What's that?
Dave. The defenseman?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dave. Yeah, there you go, put your body in front.
Ice. Oh, too short.
There you go. Turn and burn.
Oh, nice pass.
Go back to him.
I sure hope the camera's in focus on that goal. Did a deke and then.
Feeling it, bro. Feeling it. The camera.
Yeah, you're looking good, man. Nice pass. Hey, good pass, Dave.
Hey, bring it back. Quédate atrás. Quédate atrás. Ya ves.
Well, just in case, these guys need it, you know what I mean? I was just gonna call you so we can have some fun sit and, you know, then go on and all that.
Gotta get the pump.
Go hang out at Goldilocks, have some hollow hollow. Oh my gosh. Was there a lot of guys missing?
Come on, guys, pick it up.
Go out on it, Dave. Go out on him.
Come on, Dave.
Somebody else actually. It's Mark's buddy. I was thinking of you though, but I didn't have your Facebook or number. Yeah. Who? Oh, you don't even pay attention, dude.
Nice shot, good.
Get up, Steve. Good job, buddy. Good hustle. Nice pressure, Dave. Good job.
Oh, you go back.
Good pick.
Nice clear.
I got too hot, buddy. There you go.
Good hustle, buddy.
I should have crossed sooner, but did it confuse them?
I saw you trying to go in the backside. Yeah, you had him beat, but you lost.
That puck's always rolling or bouncing. Get that guy. Get that guy. Good.
Go with it, Dave. Hey, good pass, Dave.
Okay, keep going.
Look at Dave slot. Look at slot. Nope.
No. Oh, right there. Let him put it in front.
On net.
Go loose. Brian, you got that.
Come on, chill.
Go, Adrian, get him. Got time now. You got guys.
Is that marathon runner tired?
Yeah.
I hear huffing and puffing over there. Oh, that would have been a good redirect. Don't just call his name, say where it's at. Cross, cross, cross!
Cross. Oh, Adrian's up.
Cross, cross!
Nice job.
Oh, too deep.
Shot on. Shoot it.
Someone come to this side. Come on, get back.
Take pass, Mark.
Nice.
Oh, good hustle, Dave.
Mark, spread out.
That's a good pass. He was wide open. I could have probably scored that.
Stay in the back.
Good pass.
One on you.
Two coming on.
Come on, Steve. Same board, same board. One coming.
Go, go,
no,
go.
you got it.
Put it on.
You got cross. Send it deep. Oh.
Come on, goal, you got it.
Wow. Round, 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 round. Good job. Oh. Same board. Point, point, point. Ah. Oh, there you go.
Ready to get back. Two on you. There you go. Bring that in. Shoot. Yeah.
Oh.
Let me make it please. You got time.
Okay.
Go center, go center. Center, center, center. Center, center, center.
Pretty close, go back.
I think Steve's tired. Check him. You okay, Steve?
Just falling backward.
Steve up top. Oh, nice.
Hey, that was a nice shot, Mark, on that blue line there. Almost got through, man. Almost almost had eyes on
The
that.
last one?
Yeah, I almost had
Next
eyes.
to the pole, man. A little bit more.
Same board, same board.
Go, Steve. Go. Shoot it, Steve. Good idea. Come on, try and get that off.
Oh, man. He had a lot of time.
Get to the net.
He had a lot of time to measure that.
Oh,
It's all right.
go back.
It's all right. Dave, get back.
The other guy, David.
Take pass, Dave.
There you go, Dave. Steve, middle. Oh, don't go away, don't go away.
Oh, wow.
Mark, over here, Mark.
Come on, what's the guy?
Ooh.
Set her open.
What a shot. Go, shake. Good.
Dave's with you. Dave's with you.
David.
On net.
Rebound.
Stay with it, Dave.
One on.
No.
You got to drop back, Steve. Dave's up.
You got a second. Oh, it's a low, man.
Get back, Steve. Dave's up.
Quickly, right here. Shoot it. Right here. Again. Skate, Brian.
Get back.
Keep skating, Brian. You got him.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on, guys.
Get the point, Mark.
Fire.
Get the point, Mark.
Oh, nice.
Open, go.
Oh, look at that shape picker.
Got man on now.
Follow it up. Quick, change it.
You got it.
Oh, man. Good job.
Hey, let's go.
Someone should have said something over there. You had a lot of time to measure it up. And you took a wrister. Yeah. Someone should. We should have yelled
Oh,
out.
come on, 3-1.
Go.
Go, 3-1.
You got Steve. You got Steve Slot. Say something, Steve. Slot. Oh, nice pass, Steve.
1 on point. Watch your man.
Oh, my God.
2-on-1. Walk it in.
Shoot.
Mark wasn't ready for the
Nobody
one-timer.
has their stick down.
Mark did it. He just whiffed him.
It was a little fast, but I had to.
Center. Mark. Ooh. Stay with it. I don't know if Alex's whistle works. We'll have to ask him. I haven't heard it all game.
I'm not gonna blow any calls. All like 7 or 8 times the boys covered it. You ever heard them say that?
I'm old.
Shoot early, man. All right, switch.
Change it, Steve.
This stick is hot.
Or did he hit it?
No, that's me. Come on, across the middle.
Yeah.
You got that. Still got it. Get up. Keep staying, baby. Oh, that's so right.
Way to go.
Good job, Petey.
Kidding with these guys.
Never there. Good, you got it.
Cover your points, guys.
Oh, man.
Go now, go.
Same team.
Work together.
2-on-1.
Control it.
Control it. Come in.
Backboard, Steve.
Point. Oh, he even got it to him.
You got him, Adrian. You got him. There you go. Shoot it, Steve.
Adrian.
Steve.
Right.
Oh,
Good.
almost. It's good that he's.
You got it now. Oh, sorry.
Get up. Ooh, that looked like it hurt his knee.
Okay, Adrian. You got him, man.
Steve,
You got him.
you good?
All right, take the phone, Adrian. Corner.
Play.
Brian, you're good now. You're clear.
One on.
Go with him, Steve.
Yeah, use that.
Oh, if you were there, Steve.
Get back to that, buddy. Skate, Brian. There you go. Go, Adrian.
Stick, David.
Right there. Good, Adrian. Nice.
Oh, nice D.
Oh, come on now. Clear it. Come on, Dave. Good, Dave.
It's a long first period, man.
There you go, 2-1. Make it happen.
On net. Oh!
Get that motion going.
You're playing some good D, man.
Oh, thanks. There you go, 2-2. 28 seconds. Good job. You still got a shot, 17. Yeah, I would say again. Another pass, there you go, pressure.
Ooh.
Tell the Isaac.
Get back, get back.
There you go, Dan. Dan. Look at there, Adrian. Come on, get him. Good, now move, Adrian. Good, Adrian. Keep
Nice
moving.
body.
Keep skating. Keep putting him there. Got him. Hey. Keep moving now.
Ooh, line one up.
Take him. No! In the front!
Did that go in? That was a nice pass.
Cup check. Up top, Adrian. That guy. That's you. Good guy, Adrian, inside. Stay with him, Dave. Turn around. Good, Pete. On 14. Go. Whoever's up there. Mark, take the other guy. Good, Pete.
Oh, that was a good shot.
Race up top, Adrian. Race up top there. Go get him. He used to be there already.
Oh, what a pass.
Good, Pete.
Come on, guys. Start covering the points. They're quarterbacking.
Good, Brian. Take the knee there. Go up, Adrian. Mark. All right, get that guy up there, Adrian, on your left. Come over, Dave. Or Brian. All right, Brian, get these out.
Come on, it's even strength.
Straight now.
Push it up. One behind.
Over here, Adrian. Good job. Did you get on him? Him. All right, get the trim there. Adrian, get the trim.
Board it up.
Same board. Oh, nice pass.
Stay with it.
Over here. On your left.
It's time.
I just wanted some camera time, that's all. Dave's with you! They
Division
won't.
is this again?
Huh?
So what division is this again? Come on. Really?
There's times we should ask you the same questions, Mark.
You don't see me scoring 15 goals.
That's true.
You don't see me skating through a whole team either. It's certainly not for this team. Whoa, Steve, come on. Get that little guy out of the way. Come on. Keep working. Good job. There you go, Mark.
Mark.
Leading you.
Keep going, Steve.
Why are you looking at him? Just put your body in front of him. Guess I didn't like it. Stop him. That's what I'm supposed to do, isn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, almost hooked him.
Come on, point. There you go. Get it up.
Yeah, I gotta keep playing.
Get up. Keep it up. Come on, boys. Good job, go get him. All right, you guys got time. Go. Go, quick.
Go. Get in there.
Fire!
Oh,
Go, man.
got whitewashed.
Come on. Get to it. High work, Golden, high work. Here we go.
Now up. Come on. Don't let him skate it. Get this guy, David.
Come on. Go back.
Go now, 2-on-1. Okay.
Come on, guys.
Dave's with you.
All right, all you.
Oh my gosh.
Get him. Get it right there.
Point.
No.
Point now.
Oh man.
Keep it up.
Round.
Run it. Oh.
Still there, Dave. Good, David.
All right, everybody go back now.
Skate, Steve.
Quick.
Yeah, skate.
We'll stick under.
Go, Adrian, go! Get that guy, Dave. 49.
When you hit this board over here, I thought you
Stay on
tweaked your
the board,
knee,
Adrian.
dude.
Another
Oh,
board.
it's got a Charlie horse.
Get in front of him, David. You gotta stay in front of him, David. There you go.
One coming, Mark.
Good, Adrian. Get on him now. Roll him around you. Dave, come middle.
Oh, nice glove.
Nice save, goalie.
How you feeling, Bri?
What's that?
How you feeling? Coming at you. One on you. Up. Adrian's with you. Yeah, I know. Still good effort, though.
They're the same, but they're just a little more structured. one after another.
Oh, he had it. Go, Steve.
There you go.
Adrian's with you.
Go, Blazer.
You got Adrian.
Now, Blazer.
Oh, that's all you got? Hey, good job, Dave. Like you don't know, Dougie.
Dave took one of our guys out.
That's chicken shit.
I don't know why. I just don't know how Mitch doesn't get like 5 games.
Mitch is good. Mitch is going to be short tonight, huh?
Yeah, probably.
So we got 3 people suspended. 12 to go.
Good shot, Bri. On net, buddy.
You guys playing with a sub tonight then? How do you guys get 6 if you only from 9?
You go like suspension for goalie.
That's backhander.
These guys should play on Sunday. It's stupid. I mean, there's always one team that's mismatched, but this match is bad.
Yeah.
The worst part is they don't have a weakness on defense. So you can't skate to anybody. Get back and shoot. And get a lead pass.
And a big problem too is the goaltending at this level doesn't fit because you can't usually stop goals that hit the top post if they're going in.
Like, he should. Like, what are you doing here? Come on.
Billy took a flat shot from behind the line. No joke, went right in the corner. I think it touched both the side rail and the top bar. I just looked at him like, really, dude?
You can't let him shoot, but these guys will get him open.
Well, I mean, he did a clearing pass that he just got. I mean, he was out here at the blue line. I mean, how do you send a blue line slap shot?
Nice stick.
That was a high stick, man. Even I saw that.
Ask for some help there.
Go to the video replay. We have video replay technology for this game. High stick. I got a feeling this is the last season for this rank anyway, so might as well give him shit.
You're not kidding, man.
Until they start marketing it or do something with it, I'll go play.
There you go. Let's bring it in.
I haven't seen Sundays, but Sundays in the past, even last season was pretty good.
Was good?
Yeah, pretty competitive. Not a lot of teams, but it was really competitive.
Look low, point. Tony, I mean, yeah.
What, do you get that?
Well, we've been mercied 3 of the 6 games.
No, you haven't, really?
Yeah. We've been mercied 3 of 6 games. You know, and this team once,
Rain?
and Mitch's team once, for sure, and might have been these guys twice. And then we lost another game by 9 goals.
Oh, good pass.
So,
Razor!
Get this guy, Steve.
Get him back. Someone get back.
Good, now go
There you go, Steve.
Go on. Shoot it.
Oh my god. Is that? Looking tired out there. Yeah.
hey, you're not playing out here no more. Most of the guys aren't. There you go. Good job, Mark.
I still like hanging out here, I mean.
Yeah. Well, I mean. Wait for the sticks up.
Same board.
What do you want? You want teams that are fairly competed,
You know,
and they're not. You know. I mean, I realize I got screwed with like
boy.
everyone can't make it. He got a new job and he's starting at 2 in the morning, so he's asleep right now.
Edwin's done.
I'm hoping he'll come show up for the playoff.
Come on.
You know, I mean, but he's one of my best players, and I lost him.
they still got you though, Dougie.
Lost Matt, was one of my best players, so I lost 2 of my best players, which would have at least made us competitive. We would have still probably lost to the white team.
You still talk to Mike and those guys? Tyler?
Tyler every now and again, but not that often.
What are those guys up to?
I think they're playing on. Last time I heard he was going to be playing on Sundays.
Bond on the bond. 21. Stay with him.
Well, they're gonna play. The good.
Mike and the other guys were playing on Wednesdays down at 949.
Oh, is he?
They're getting killed down there. Which is fine, I understand.
Oh yeah.
I'm getting older and slower.
Oh, don't go there, Dougie. Come on now.
Those young whippersnappers, they want
You
to
still
stack
could-
a team.
You got at least 5. I mean, sound like you're defeated already.
Nah. The problem is that these guys don't see it. They don't bother looking at the actual stat sheet. They just look at guys that can blaze all the way down from one end to the other like Rob. If they actually look at the stat sheet at the end of the night, typically I'm near the top.
You know,
Half ago, it was really good.
Run the guy down.
Yeah.
Working wonders on his board.
aren't they?
Makes it look worse.
Oh, here we go.
I think from a business point of view, Frank made a huge mistake letting this room just die off like this.
He's not getting well.
I realize he's making money hand over fist up there in Burbank.
He's getting help from the city over there. The city of Burbank. Garden Grove is a whole different story. It's out of pocket for him.
But he's got teams galore and there's no competition.
Yeah.
So you know what? All it's gonna take is some kid to fall down and crack his head open out there, and some kid really getting seriously hurt,
Yeah.
like a broken back or something horrific like that.
Whoa.
But it happens.
There's a guy 14 out here I've been seeing. He looks like he's gonna hurt something.
And if they close that rink down up there, I mean, he's screwed.
Good, Mark. Come on. All you, Mark. Rolling for you. Yeah, Marky.
A mini pump.
Woo!
All right, 3 more of those.
Third place or second place?
Third place.
Look at the standings on the website.
My phone's way over there, man.
There's nothing there, I don't think. I'm just kidding. I don't even know what the standings are.
Well, we're 0-6, so I do know where we are at. We are in 4th.
But you're going to the playoffs, though. You got the playoffs locked up.
Hey, we're gonna peak in December.
That's what matters.
Gelling as a team, we're a new team, we're coming together.
Uh-oh, another one.
We need to win 2 games this season. That's it. In December.
That's all that matters.
That's all we need to win. I would love to do that. Go 0-10, 2-0. That would just be the greatest.
Hey, by then we'll actually.
Come on, spread out. You got Brian across.
Oh,
Well,
Lord.
see, you can get screwed in the playoffs too. A lot of these guys don't realize. I've been screwed 4 different times
By
with
Ryan.
my goalie not showing up in the playoffs. In the playoff, they ain't letting you sub a goalie. Your ass out.
These guys, those refs don't know.
Yeah, but Mitch knows who's
Yeah, I know.
really good goalies
Can't-
and
can't-
stuff like that.
can't get it
And
by
I
Mitch.
pay attention to these little things. You know,
Oh yeah, we remember. Dougie, you were.
I stoned Mitch last season. That
Yeah.
was funnier than hell.
Oh, get it in, yeah. Get it, Brett, Brett.
That was actually pretty funny, man. That was good.
Because he does that to everybody else, and then he got
Hey.
so indignant about it. Like,
No, I
what
mean-
the hell? You're doing that to me?
Round.
You know, well, yeah, you do it to everybody else, man. This is the playoffs. You know the rules of the
Yeah.
playoffs. I'll let you have. If
I bet
Sidney
you-
Crosby and Patrick Wall show up tonight, and you want to use them as subs, I don't give a shit.
I bet you he's still upset about it.
Oh, he is. That's okay.
Step up, Mark. Come on.
He kicked me off his team one time, so it's fine.
All right, James. James, quick.
I never let him live that down.
When was this?
When me and Mitch used to play Cyprus like 7 years ago. And we finished, we played the playoffs, and they were starting the season. The next 2-year-old kid that goes like that with the stick. I came back week 2.
Thanks for applying.
Yeah, he's like, oh, well, we'll replace you. I didn't know you were coming back. I go, what do you mean? I stood there in front of the whole team and said, I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Played on your team for 1.5 years. What the hell? Well, we don't need you no more. So they stuck me on the first place team. We won the championship that year.
Oh,
So and that 22-year-old kid quit after 3 games. Thought it was funny. Shit.
Why'd he quit?
He was 22 years old.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Put it in front.
Yeah, your pump was even looking tired.
I didn't know what I wanted to do.